Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned.
So, all right, guys. So, very quickly, I'll be taking you through how you can trade cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain. And on the Solana blockchain, we will be making use of either the software wallet or um, the Phantom wallet. So if you don't have it already, I'm going to share the link in the description below so you can always get to install the wallet. So right now, just open your software wallet if you've already downloaded it. So open it and authenticate. So right now, you see, we are dealing with the Solana blockchain here. So and your assets should be in Solana. So if you've watched the previous videos, you can see that we've been using the Trust wallet. So, but in this case of the Solana blockchain, you should make use of either the software wallet or the Phantom wallet. So, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm making use of the software wallet. So right now, what we are doing in this video is for us to trade the token on the Solana blockchain, and we are going to be using the Raydium.io. So in this video, we are going to be using Raydium.io. So I'm going to make another video where I'm going to be making use of the Jupiter. So all right, let's proceed. So currently I have $4 worth of Solana here. So $4 worth of Solana. So right now I want to buy more of Nairo. So I already bought some $5 worth of Nairo before, but the market went down. So but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to uh, put you through how you can get to buy Nairo. So right now, let's click on this browser icon that you have here. So click on the browser icon that you have there. So right now, just type in your radium.io in the search box, radium.io. So as you already have it here on my screen, so radium.io, radium.io. So just click on the radium.io and let it load for you. So what you are going to do right now is for you click on enter exchange. Click on enter exchange. This is where you have your trade. So click on the enter exchange, and then so right now, it will ask you for the permission to connect to your wallet. So which you are going to connect to the wallet, just as you can see right now. So connect with your wallet. So it's connecting already. So let's wait for it to connect. So as you can see, software wallet, it's connected. So it is actually loading the worth of Solana that I have in my wallet. So my Solana is 0.042764. So that's what I have in my wallet. So once you connect your wallet, it will automatically read what is inside your wallet. So right now, I've told you that we want to swap with Nairo. So let's go to the coin market cap to search for Nairo so we can get the contract address from the coin market cap. So click on the search icon and type in Nairo. Nairo. So Nairo. So as you can see here, you see Nairo slash Sol. So it's a decentralized pair. So click on Nairo slash Solana. So currently, if you scroll down, you are going to see some uh, contract address here. As you can see here, you can see contract address that we have here. So you click on the first one. So that is what you are going to click on, this first one. This first one. So you click on it and you copy. You click on it and you copy. So click on it and copy. So you've already copied it. So now let's go back to our software. So authenticate again. So all right, so click on where you have Ray. So always ensure that your Solana is what you have at the top, because that is what you are swapping. So and what you are swapping into, that is what you will have downward. So you can see right now, if I click on this button, there will be a swapping. So you have Ray go to the top and Solana come back downward. So click on it. As you can see that it has been interchanged already. So but that is not what we want. So let's return it back. So right now you click on this Ray and then you search for Nairo. Search for Nairo. So you know we've already copied Nairo. We've already copied Nairo contract address. So just paste it there and then let's click on search. So currently there's an issue, but it has already brought the search for us. So as you can see here, so but the contract address has not been really verified. So if you see some tokens like this, you might want to avoid trading your funds for them. So you get, so but for the sake of this video tutorial and for the sake that I've already bought this coin before into my wallet, so let's proceed with it. So click on this, click on it. So once you click on it, it will load for us. So and as you can see, I already have a balance of 24,659 naira already. So but I want to buy $1 worth of naira. I hope you get it now. So let's type in the worth, $1 worth in Solana. So let's try, let's guess 0.009. Okay, let's do 0.001. Okay, let's do, okay, that is 95 cents. Okay, let's do 0.012, no, 0.011. So that's how you get to adjust on your own side too, so you get the exact dollar amount that you want to buy. So right now, so click on, once you are done, you can see you have if you trade that $1 worth of Solana, you are going to get 54,377 worth of naira in your wallet. So and you are trading through the Raydium pool. You're going to trade through the Raydium pool. So right now you click on swap, click on swap, click on swap. So let's click on swap. So because we didn't make the transaction quick, it has to reload. So click on swap. So you click on slide to confirm, slide to confirm. So as you can see here, it's showing you what you are swapping. You are swapping Solana into naira. So click on slide to confirm. So the transaction is processing, just as you have it here. The transaction is processed and you can see transaction confirmed, transaction confirmed. So that is just as easy and very quick, just like that. So go back to your wallet by clicking here, go back to your wallet.
So right now, what can you see? You can see we now have $1.51 worth of Naira. Mind you, we already have 24,000 worth of Naira there already. So now we bought another 50. If you look at the transaction, the activity, so you can see this is the activity. So this is the activity. You can see we added for 54,377 Naira. That is what 0.01 Solana bought for us. So please and please, as you can see right here, you can see received NFT. Never ever click on that. Those are scam projects. Once you click on it and you interact with it, mind you, if you have 1 million USD on your wallet, it will be hacked and your funds will be taken away from you. So never ever go and click on anything you did not authorize on your wallet, anything you did not buy. Don't see a token of 20,000 USDT that they sent to you and you click on it when you don't warrant any of such. So all those things, they are clickbait to actually attract you and to lure you into them stealing from you. So never ever, as you can see, this is another one again. So those are the subtle ways in which these guys they tend to steal from people that purchase on the blockchain. So they are more or less like a bug. So they are like a bug. Anytime you buy a coin, it will show in your wallet. But it is now your own due diligence to avoid all those kind of things. Any transaction you did not authorize or you did not make or you did not purchase, don't ever make the mistake of clicking on them or trying to more or less see it as a very cheap offer that you just want to quickly grab, or else you will just lose all of your funds. I hope you get it right now. So I think that should be the end of the video. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly like the video. If you're here to subscribe, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so you can get to be alerted when new video drops. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye.